All right, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to set up the Behavior Analytics dashboard, which is one of my favorite tools. So let's start by, right now I'm at the Reads menu, but that's not really where I need to be. Where we need to be is in your Google account. So I'm going to open up a tab and type Gmail, and I'm going to sign into my my personal Gmail account because that's where I've been doing all this work. And so go to your Google Drive, right there. I'm going to close this other tab. And go to your Reads Analytics folder. And so you've got your Reads behavior form here. Double-click it to open it. And I have entered some data. I've entered 4 records into this. 2 for each student. 2 for Billy and 2 for Cindy. Anyway. You've got to have data before you can set up the analytics. And that's just how it goes. So enter some data if you haven't. And then what we're going to do in here is we're going to click Link to Sheets and click Create. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a spreadsheet that's based on that form. So it connects the spreadsheet to the form. And now there's a spreadsheet in your folder, in your Google. If I reload my Google Drive, you'll see all of a sudden I have this Reads behavior form. Reads behavior form. It's green, meaning it's a spreadsheet. Okay, so you have this spreadsheet. You could potentially edit data in here, although I suggest you don't. Anyway, I digress. The next step is to copy the analytics dashboard. Okay, and to do that, we need to go back to the demo. And so here we are at the Reads demo at the main menu, and I need to open up the Behavior Analytics. And so here's the Behavior Analytics report. This is the report that I need to copy. And what I do is I move up to the right corner to these 3 dots that love to disappear on me. So you click the 3 dots and you click Make a Copy. Now it's got these like triangles here, and what you need to do is click this down arrow and then go to the very bottom where it says Create Data Source, and we're going to create a source that's based on Google Sheets, and it's the very first one because we just opened it up here. It's the very first one here is the sheet that we want. Make sure these 2 checkboxes are checked and this checkbox is not checked, and click Connect. That is connecting our spreadsheet to the new report. Next step, click Add to Report. Now, for some reason it brings us back to the screen again. We just need to click on that Reads behavior form one more time. I just click the down arrow and click the very top one and click Copy Report, and now it's making a copy in your Google Data Studio. So you have this report now. The first thing you want to do is go up here and rename this. And I just clicked and dragged, and I'm just going to type in READS. Reads Behavior Analytics, and please rename yours with the same name as mine so that if you need to do troubleshooting, you won't get confused. Okay. So now we've got this report, and we can view it. And so the donuts are working great. The behavior donuts. Behavior by subject is working great. Behavior by block and time is going to be working just fine. It's the date finder tool that's not going to be working. And that's because we don't have our calculated fields. So you're going to need to watch another video to figure out how to do the date finder tools calculated fields. But there's only I think there's only 4 calculated fields for this report. So that's actually pretty easy. Anyway, so you should have this now in your dashboard. I'll show you where it is. If you click this weird blue icon, that's Google Data Studio. And so here's your Behavior Analytics. Okay, if you've already set up the SEL Analytics, you'll have that here too. Okay, so but that's where this report is stored. It's not stored on your Google Drive, which is a little confusing. That's the end of this video. I hope you were successful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.